Labour Party presidential candidate in the 2023 elections, Peter Obi, has alleged that a property belonging to his younger brother was demolished in Lagos without legal backing. He alleged that the demolition was carried out by unidentified persons acting on a vague court judgment that did not mention his brother, the property, or contain any demolition order. He said the property, which had stood for over 15 years before it was brought down. However, according to Obi, the supposed judgment was addressed to unnamed squatters and did not include any demolition order or authorizing documentation. How do you sue an unknown person? How does a court issue a judgment in such a farce of a case? No one was served. No name was written. Yet they showed up with excavators and began destroying a structure that had stood for over 15 years, he said. Obi described the entire episode as coordinated lawlessness, lamenting what he sees as Nigeria's descent into a state of impunity.
Just on Sunday, I came back from the US, and my younger brother told me he urgently wants to see me. And I saw him yesterday on my way to Abuja. He said to me that the land, the company land, Nest Food Limited, the land they owned for over 10 years, probably over 15 years, belonging to them, and some people just jumped into it and said they are the owner, that they have got injunction, and that they are about to start demolition. I said, okay, we'll go to court. That they won't demolish it without having proper documentation and everything. But yesterday, he called me, said they've removed the roof. They brought 3 tractors, 2,000, demolition everywhere, as fast as they can. And I said, no, I'll leave Abuja this morning. Let me go there personally. He said all effort for them to enter there, they will refuse even enter. And they've chased out the people who are living there. So there's nothing they can do. That's how I came from Abuja. We first flight this morning from Abuja, drove to this place, asked the people, what authorized you to demolish? They said I've got injunction that the owner gave them. I said, who is the owner? They said they don't know the owner. They just gave them. I said, who is the owner? They said they don't know the owner. Can I see the court injunction and see who the owner is, the person who is now claiming his shield? They gave me the court injunction. The court injunction explicitly said unknown person. How can you sue an unknown person? I said the land belongs to you. A land with property. And within yesterday and today, you demolish the property. Look at it. They've removed the roof, they removed everything. Okay, give me your proper documentation, demolition orders, because even if you want to demolish the house, you go to the state, they give you order to demolish, give you appropriate documentation, bring safety people in there, so that we know you're doing what is now. It's only while I'm here now that some people came and said they have safety order. What kind of country is this? How do you descend to this level of rascality? How can you show a non person? Enter somebody's land and everything. I've been here for 4 hours. I've not seen one person who comes and say, I'm the owner. 3 people or 2 or 3 people have here. Are you the owner? No, I'm not. But I'm acting on behalf. I said, so who is the owner? No name. They've not called the name. I said, but you know my name. I'm Peter Obi. I want to know the next person. So I can even approach him and say, please, this land belongs to a company that my brother is the majority shareholder. The country can't go on like this. We're looking for foreign investors. We're looking for investors. But look at how local investors are being treated. Is that how a country can thrive? This level of lawlessness, this level of rascality.
Obi added, this is not about me or my brother, it's about what ordinary Nigerians go through every day. If this can happen to someone with a registered company and legitimate ownership, what hope does the average citizen have? He reiterated his commitment to building a new Nigeria where lawlessness will be a thing of the past and protection of life, property, and civil rights are guaranteed. As of now, no government agency had claimed responsibility for the demolition, and no official explanation had been given. We'll keep providing you with more news updates. Stay tuned to Globus TV.